Namaste. This is a video on how to introduce to kids mathematics through music and Sanskrit poems. So historically, Ganita or mathematics in Bharat or India has been taught along with songs and poems composed in Sanskrit. So what you see here is one such example of Leelavati that was used as a textbook. So, Sanskrit shlokas or songs improved the child's mental abilities, which helped him or her grasp the mathematics faster. So, this is the house of mathematics genius Srinivas Ramanujan, and kids during that time started their education with Sanskrit shloka recitation, songs, etc. So, what we have done is we have extended the song based traditional mathematics learning into a song based through which we can introduce computer science mathematics. So, as part of that, kids learn several famous shlokas, chanting which makes his mind sharp. Binary mathematics used in computers, how does it work in these shlokas? And we can compare the Sanskrit chandas in Sanskrit versus how in English poems there is a meter, and thus the child is introduced to binary mathematics used in computers. So basically, we are conducting a 2-week online summer camp from March to May, which integrates shloka recitation with binary mathematics. As an example, once a famous poet Kalidas was posed a question by his king to compose a poem that ends with tum tum ta tum tum ta 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 tum ta tum tum, or tum tum ta tum tum ta ta tum ta tum tum. And this particular line captures the interest of several of us, including especially that of kids. And Kaviguru Kalidasa composes the music like this: Rajabhisheke madavihvalaya hastachyuto hema ghato yuvatya sopana marge cha karoti shabdam tum tum ta tum tum ta ta tum ta tum tum. So, during the coronation of a king, a lady loses from her hand a gold pot and it falls down the way, making the sound tum tum ta tum tum ta ta tum ta tum tum. So, this is how the Kalidas forms this music, and once the child learns this, a question arises naturally that why does the poem sound so melodious even though no music has been introduced? Now, Chandas mathematics is the answer, and with this, the maths, when it is introduced to the kids, he is more interested in learning that. So, what we do is, as an example, Rajyabhisheke Madavihvalaya is divided into various shabdas or sounds or syllables, and the subsequent line Hastachyuto Hema Ghato Yuvatya and Sopana Margecha Karoti Shabdam tum tum ta tum tum ta ta tum ta tum tum, you would see that it will get exactly mapped into a matrix or a rectangular row and column, and we can look at the column one by one, where the first column is Ra, Ha, So, Tum, which takes relatively more time to say compared to a column which takes less time to say, which is Bhi, Chu, Na, Ta. And as we keep on doing this, we will see that a pattern is formed which is 110, 110, 010, 11. Traditionally, what is done is 3 of these numbers are taken at a time to form a Gana. So, a Gana of 110, 110, 010 and Guru Guru. So, what we have done is we have introduced binary mathematics into this, where we multiply the first digit with 4, second digit with 2, the third digit with 1, and then we have these binary numbers, and we will see that it forms a pattern called 662 Guru Guru, and such a pattern which is 662 Guru Guru will be applicable to several such poems whose name is Indravajra. So several such Sanskrit poetry and related mathematics would be part of a session in our online summer camp, basically for kids 7 to 14 years starting March to May. And as part of the summer camp, we reconnect the child to the beauty of the night sky by introducing them to the nakshatras or asterisms or stars, constellations or rashis. Another part of this is making the child comfortable with computing using our innovative simple Sanskrit coding platform, where the child can give commands to the computer in Sanskrit and the computer will draw an image in return. We enhance the child's interest in mathematics naturally through poetry and music in shlokas, especially chandas and katapayadi. And we connect the kids to traditions and festivals once they know the scientific aspects in our Hindu calendar. And we bring out the street smartness in your child through Panchatantra stories. So the time duration for this is 9 to 12:40 with breaks. So 9 to 9:40, and then there is a 20 minutes break, 10 to 10:40, 11 to 11:40, 12 to 12:40, etc. And the next batch starts on 20th March, and it's a fun-filled program for kids to connect to our ancient knowledge relevant in computational and scientific areas. So we are charging 3000, and you may reach me on my WhatsApp number, or you can do the QR scan code, or you can pay through this WhatsApp number. To know more, you can visit shardula-ai.com, and I hope that this video would help your child to get interested in Sanskrit poem and to know that the mathematics involved in Sanskrit poem, how it generates the music. So dhanyavad, namaste.